Hey folks, Jimmy Schwinn here from MastermindWebinars.com. I'm going to do a quick video on how I do on video page SEO. Now, this is just how I fill it out when I upload a video. I just did this video on WordPress SEO tips. That's the key phrase I'm going after. And other ones, other tags I'll be putting in here. I'll show you in a minute. And then my description and my title here, of course, is my entire title, right? And then what I'm going to send to Twitter and to Google+, might as well do that at the same time, put up my image, and now I'm going to add my tags. So what I did again is I utilized this keyword tool here. I first did my research on the Google keyword tool so that I could get the visits, and then I came in and put the main keyword in there, and then went to YouTube because I'm optimizing it for YouTube, right? That's why I like this keyword tool. And then I looked and said, okay, WordPress SEO tips, because I can do it WordPress SEO tips 1, WordPress SEO tips 2, with the way I name my actual video file. See that? That's my actual video file that I uploaded to YouTube. I always name it the key phrase that I'm going after. And again, I'll be able to do WordPress SEO tips 2. So I always put a 1 after a number so that I can use it over and over again and again and again if I want to. Okay. So again, I downloaded these to here. I'm now, as you can see, hold on, let me pull that up. I'm now going to add them as tags. So I'm just going to throw them in here as tags. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Maybe I can do it all at once, maybe not. Let's see. I think I can. Nope, it puts them all in one thing. That's right. So you got to do it the old hard way here. One by one. How dare they make us do this, huh? One by one. But this is really important to really search out the key phrases that you want people to locate your video for. And again, there's much more to optimizing, SEO optimizing, getting your videos to rank in YouTube. And I've done a couple videos. I think I did a webinar on it on the blog. We'll look at it when we're done here, if I don't forget. So hold on one second. Be patient with me. Be patient. Okay. So you want to stuff all these key phrases in as tags. Okay. And these are also things that you do like with your Facebook post. I'll go back through and I'll create the hashtags in the Facebook posts. I'll create hashtags in Twitter. Sometimes I forget, but let me give you, I'll do it here with this one. I'll show you what I'm talking about. At least for the main keyword and maybe the next 3 in a row, but I'll do the main one. Only thing about Twitter that kind of sucks is that you can't edit your tweet, right? It's like, at least on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media, you can edit your tweet, or you can edit your post. You edit your post on Facebook, LinkedIn. You can edit your YouTube. Okay, so I got too many here. Okay, so let's get rid of this wizard. Still too many. See how it says too many? Okay. Oh, now I'm good. Now I'm good. So no problem. So now I can say add, let me grab WordPress tips. Somebody's trying to contact me on Skype, so I want to do this real quick. So I could put that tag in there, right? Got to make sure it's not more than, and do it like that. And then I could put another tag in there, right, if I want to, but I'm just going to do it like that. And then basically I always check things over, and you can come in here and change it. Now I don't have my join master. Well, wait a minute. I do have that a certain way. Let me go ahead and pull that up here real quick. Well, that's just opening the image. I don't want that. So hold on one second. Let me just grab that real quick. And I just grabbed that right here because I want to put that at the end. Always call to action. I want them to join for free my Mastermind Webinars, where they're going to get a lot of awesome training to help them succeed online. And I'm ready to go. Okay, I think this might be too long for me to add that here. Well, I don't worry about Twitter because Twitter has my link right here also. So I really don't, it doesn't bother me. So let me go back here and publish. So that's what I do. I just wanted to show you real quick. Again, jump on mastermindwebinars.com, join for free. We're going to be having a lot of awesome training coming your way for free. And then also we will be putting a whole mastermind group together. So it's going to be really exciting. Go ahead and get on over to mastermindwebinars.com and join for free. We got a lot of good stuff for you. Take care. Have a wonderful day. God bless.